Hi friends, welcome to Telengine. This is the cloud computing sessions. Now coming to this, the agenda. What is bucket in S3 service? What is object in S3 service? And how to use it. So basically, what is bucket and why it is so popular? So bucket, what is bucket? The Amazon S3 bucket is a public cloud storage. This is the storage options available in Amazon's web service, and it is offering you to store your data, means video, image, text file, like anything you can upload on the Amazon's S3 bucket, and you must create a bucket in one of the AWS regions when you using this service. Now next, what is object in S3? The Amazon's S3 store the data as object within buckets. It means your data means your object. An object is a file and any optional metadata that describe the file. The simple concept, the object means your data, and anything your data means video, mp3, image, text file, like anything that describe the metadata or a file that is your data. Coming how to use the bucket or how to create a bucket in AWS S3 service. So board of Amazon's S3 service. Now first of all we need to create one bucket in a region. Click on the create bucket option and type your DNS compatible bucket name. Now type my bucket name is Telengine info and select your region. By default select the Mumbai region, and if you have some existing bucket, if you have already create one bucket, and you can copy the entire configurations, so that's why you can select here. We need to create a one bucket and click on the create button. Now my bucket is created. Now coming to the access policy. What is the access policy? Is basically access policy means your bucket accessibility from public, private or selected user. Types, for different types of access policy available. Number one is public, number two is object can be publics, number three is bucket and object not public, and number fourth is only authorized user of this account. So now we need to bucket access policy object can be public. Now select this bucket and edit the access public access setting, and just uncheck the all block public access options and save it and confirm. Type confirm, CONFI, and confirm. Bucket access policy change to object can be public, and click on the bucket options and here we can upload our object, means our data. Now click on the upload button, add file to desktop and upload one file. JPG file and upload it. Okay, and click on the object data, and here this is the URL of my object file, and we can share this file to everyone, and copy the file URL and paste my URL tab and enter. Here some error message display, and the type is access denied. Basically, when you upload any object in the bucket, we need to change the access policy and make sure this object is public. Now click on the public, and this is the successfully changed to public access, and again refresh it, the image file will display. And this is the method how to create a bucket and how to upload your object or data on a particular bucket, and how to change the access policy to share your data to everyone. And this URL is visible for every persons in the internet.